Today on Experimentary Cooks we will be baking brownies. It's a really easy, simple recipe because I got the box filled with most of the stuff I need and I only need this other stuff. So the reason we are taking a box instead of going to a magazine and finding a recipe is because it's gluten-free. That means it's better for you, apparently. For this recipe you need the well-known margarine, some milk and eggs. And you have a bowl that you can mix in. The first step is taking the brownie powder and putting it into the bowl. Then you take a weight and you put it under the bowl and turn it on. Now, because we're smart, we will use grams. If you are an imperial stupid idiot and use pounds and what else it's strangely is called, then you're screwed, man. Go to the internet. You can probably buy an intelligent weight. The thing you need, like, why will you have like imperial strange stuff when you can have grams and kilograms and smart things? That one's empty. This one's full. We just need 200 grams. It's really simple, really easy. The recipe asks for melted butter, but we all know that margarine, it's a lot better. Now it's the liquid, milk. And now it's really important. We already talked about how stupid you are if you use imperial measuring devices. So let me teach you. This is deciliters, and this means that 1 deciliter is half of 2 deciliters, and 1.5 deciliters is in between that. Instead of the stupid American one with like 15 quarters of an ounce to 17 parts of 13. I don't know what the fuck that means, but the only thing we need is 1.25. Approximately there. If you like have an American recipe that has 1 1/3 of a cup, what does that mean? I don't know what that means. Like, and I go to the internet writing down 1.3333, and I'm not sure if that's correct. I'm not sure if that's right. Just every American cook, fuck off with that cup shit and just. Now it's eggs, and you might think, well, these eggs are really small, and I think you're correct, but the size of an egg is kind of like your life. You are an egg. How bigger the egg is, how more destructive it can be. So always remember, when you're cracking an egg, just you're actually killing yourself. There you go. But you actually need 2 eggs, so we'll just get this in half. Wow. And the reason we put it in a glass, it's that if you get a shell in this, well, you basically just ruined your brownie. But if you put it in this, you can take a fork and just scoop it out. But I'm too good to get the shell in my eggs. Wait, what? I mean, what? Well, then you just take this and plump it in. And now it's time to mix. To mix can be hard. You can strain out your arm and you become weak and stuff. Or you can do a magic trick. Wow. And you might see that some batter has jumped on the wrestler, but that's okay. Because now you have batter completely done in a split second. Now you might find the urge to just... But remember, there's raw eggs in it, and salmonella is hiding around every corner. And now you have to find the form. The thing about the form is that it's really sticky if it doesn't have lubrication. So take some lubrication, take some paper, and smoosh it in. Lubed. Now we just take the batter and smear in. This is probably the most fun you will ever have. Fun. Now you just smoosh it out really easy, really fun. Oh, yes. Now you just plug it in to a 175-degree oven for 25 minutes. Yeah, boy. It's done. And if you're like me and forgets to film before you eat, I just gotta say it tastes really good. And from a scale from 1 to 5 billion, it tasted pretty okay. I highly encourage you to try it, but maybe not, because it's a lot of sugar in it. And you should rather just make some iced coffee. Yeah.